Day in the life of a chiropractor.
On your belly, facing down.
Yeah.
On your belly, face down. On your belly, face down. Take a deep breath and breathe. Deep breath. Breathe. Take a deep breath. Breathe. Bend here. Bend here. On your back, face up. On your back, face up. On your back, face up. Relax. 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 One of three things can happen. You can feel better, you can feel the same, you can feel a little worse. If you're worse, I did not make you worse. You're not used to this. The more you calm, the better you feel. Twice a week for the best results, and I'm open Saturdays.